Alrighty, for those of you that have watched the Beamer video about the rough idle, so right now I've got the head off. There was an actual much bigger problem. So it was running semi-fine. It was still a bit rough at low RPMs. It was chuffing out a lot of smoke at the back, so I thought it might have been the valve stem seals, so I decided to replace those. But while I was at it, I thought I'd do the head gasket as well. Anyway, this is my old head. I've got a new head because there was a much bigger problem where the cams were seated in their bearings. They were just destroyed. Let's see if I can do this properly. Okay, so you can see just here that journal there, just really beat up, and the same over on that journal just there. You can take side just destroyed. So I ended up getting a new head, new cans as well, because my other cans were destroyed. It's pigsty out here anyway, but got all that in there, so hopefully this fixes the problem now. I'm sure it will. I've basically rebuilt this whole engine. Just didn't start at the top, which is probably what I should have done. So yeah, cans were, I'm hoping to be the problem, but I'll upload a video once this starts up, and hopefully everything runs fine.